Hi everyone, Rini here, and welcome to my channel. So we're going to take a look at GALA Games again because out of all the gaming cryptos so far, GALA is the one that needs the most clarity. Because a lot of you probably bought GALA during this 11-day run-up, and since then, you're looking for an explanation as to why the GALA price action is like this. So let's dive into the charts to see what we can see, okay? When you look at the GALA price action on a daily time frame, you can see that a lot of things are still overextended right here. So we are still far away from the EMAs. Both the 21 and the 55 are also very far apart, and nothing seems to be happening. We are neither bridging that gap, but we're also not mooning either. So I think it's very important to note that on a macro level, when you look at GALA, GALA is a story of adherence to Fibonacci retracement. So if I take this local high and then this is the local low right here, we have been climbing the Fibonacci ladder and we have been meeting resistances along the way. So for example, the 1618 during this particular run-up right here served as the key resistance for a couple of days before we blasted past it. When we did our second major run-up right here, the 2.72 acted as resistance before we eventually blasted past it. And right now, we are meeting the 3.272 as our key resistance level, and so far, we appear to be failing to rally past it. Which is of course not surprising because of course we cannot go on forever. Eventually things will go down. You may be wondering, why are we not going down so rapidly? Because when you look at the 4-hourly time frame right here, we are still adhering to structures, but that structure is slowly being tested and we have since broken it twice. So during the particular run-up right here, the 21 EMA was largely untested, only with key points before its continuation to the upside. But has since then, we have fallen below these EMAs. And from a Fibonacci sequence, we have since fallen below the range of the 3 and the 3.272, which is around here. So GALA then is in a very uncertain situation because of course we can always go up from here once again when the crypto markets pick up. But we may also be stuck in a sideways consolidation for a while, very similar to these levels right here. Another thing to note is over a macro level, GALA has already done its 5-wave run-up right here. And what follows a 5-wave run-up, you now have an ABC correction. As more and more candles appear, we are really confirming that this is definitely the start of either a prolonged ABC wave or a prolonged correction to the downside. So when you look at your charts, what are the short-term things to account for? Just look at the Fibonacci. So if the crypto market continues to go sideways with no significant upside in price, expect the 3 to act as resistance, and we will most likely explore the chasm right here. So don't be surprised that on a bearish case, GALA's price action will range between 66 and 49. The positive thing about GALA is, after a subsequent moon that has happened, we do go into prolonged sideways action. We do not go down significantly. However, when I say down significantly, that doesn't mean that we still don't experience major downsides. So for example, the local high right here and the local low during the sideways consolidation still had a drawdown of around 52%. So if we were to replicate the same drawdown right here, where this is your top right here, as you can see, we will eventually play around with these 4 Fibonacci levels right here. So GALA's price range, if we were to go on a sideways action, will range from 80 cents all the way down to 38 cents. So the hope for GALA is you want this ABC to end very quickly. If the ABC, for example, ends right here and we start a new rally to the upside, then even better, because what you're going to do now is we lay down a new fibs. So this is the local high and this is the local low right here. And if we end the C wave where the 0 is, let's say where the 55 EMA is, then we will have another run up, this time to the 2.72 of around $1.40. Why did we aim for the 2.72 right here? It's because during the past 2 run-ups, it was the same structure. The local high versus the local low, you ended up at the 2.72 or even the 2.414. And also during this run-up right here, where it was the same, you ended up with the 2.72 or the 2.414 as your final destination. So if you're a long-term investor of GALA and you want to accumulate more, then what do? This is where you take advantage of the sideways situation to accumulate more. Key things to note is just aim for the Fibonacci levels that we have identified for this macro trend right here. Once it tests, for example, the 2618, then this is an accumulation opportunity right here. If we fall to the 2.414, then that's also another accumulation opportunity. Same with the 2.72. That is also an accumulation opportunity. So now that I've given you the information, then it's really up to you on what you want to do. How will you take advantage of the situation given that there are two scenarios that may play out for Gala? If you like my video, please like and subscribe, hit the notification bell. Also, let me know what you think in the comments. If you also have other gaming cryptos that you would like me to look at, just leave it down in the comments below and I'll take a look at it in the future. Until then, take care everyone. Bye bye.